The ZOCCAM mobile app is the convenient, secure way for your clients to send earnest money deposits straight from a mobile device. It's simple and easy to use. We'll show you how. If you haven't already, download the ZOCCAM mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've downloaded the app, register as a new customer and create an 8-digit PIN code. Now that you're registered and signed into the app, the first thing you want to do is select the Earnest Money option. After your selection, a page with all the different title companies associated with ZOCCAM will appear. Select Stewart Title. Once you've selected Stewart, you'll see all our office locations that are currently using ZOCCAM. For a quicker and easier search experience, you also have the choice of using the filter to sort offices by state or city. Scroll through the options until you find the Stewart Title office you'd like to send your earnest money deposit to. After selecting the appropriate branch office location, enter the property address that you want to supply earnest money for. Include street address, city, state, and zip code. Next, enter the amount of the earnest money deposit. You also have the option of indicating whether the contract has already been sent or you're attaching it. Be sure to confirm the earnest money check amount before moving forward. Now that you've entered the deposit information, be sure to check the Me box for whichever category you fall under to auto-populate your info. Make sure the buyer's info and the seller's first and last name are entered. The only required email address is for the person making the deposit. Once you've submitted all that information, click Capture on Android or Paper Check on iPhone. This will take you to a screen where you'll capture a picture of the front and back of the earnest money check made payable to Stewart Title. You'll get a success message on screen that your deposit has been received. Your title office will also send you a receipt as soon as they receive the earnest money deposit. And just like that, you've deposited earnest money the secure and convenient way through the ZOCCAM mobile app.